Hello, we're going to do some balancing of chemical equations. I have the lab here. We'll do an example. We have a bunch of blocks that represent atoms. And as you can see, here we have three different types of elements. And we are going to balance this equation. Hydrogen, H2, plus oxygen, O2, gives us H2O. As the instructions say, first we make one of each molecule, or atom or formula unit. Well, these are molecules. Let's see. Let's use yellow for hydrogen. So H2 looks like that. And we'll use blue blocks to represent oxygen atoms. So there's an oxygen molecule. And so let's see. H2O. Yellow is hydrogen and blue is oxygen. So there's an H2O. And I like to divide my my reaction with a pencil to make it really clear. These are the reactants. This is before. These are the products. This is after. Okay, let's see if our equation is balanced. We have two hydrogens on the left. We start with two hydrogens. We end with two hydrogens. That's balanced. We start with two oxygen atoms, but we end with only one oxygen atom. So we're not balanced. The art of balancing is the art of finding the coefficients, the numbers, the whole numbers that make the equation work. We're not balanced in oxygen, so let's see if we can fix that. We can't cut an O2 molecule in half, but we can say we have two water molecules. So if we make another water molecule, then now our oxygens are balanced. We start with two blue oxygen atoms. We end with two blue oxygen atoms. However, now our hydrogens are out of balance. But if we add another hydrogen molecule, another H2, now we have two H2 plus O2 gives us two H2O. And that is balanced. So we're going to write our results in. I'll do this in nice bold ink. I like to use pencil, but it doesn't show up very well. So our coefficient, we have two H2, one O2. So we don't write the 1. It's like an implicit 1. It's implied. We have two H2Os. So we will write two H2Os. And there's our balanced equation. Now what's left is to draw it. We're going to draw these molecules. Let's see, O2. You could use different colors. There's an O2 molecule. Yellow wouldn't show up very well for hydrogen, so instead I'm going to do my hydrogen as pink. There's one H2. There's two H2 plus O2 gives us two H2O. So I'll draw two O's and two oxygens, and I like to draw water bent. So there we go. That is our balanced equation. There we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video explaining how we balance chemical equations. Thank you very much.